The Wildcat. This ride will require a stopwatch and the horizontal accelerometer. First, make a prediction. How fast do you think you are going on the ride? Start by using a stopwatch. Start timing as soon as the train starts to move down the first hill. We won't consider the motion until it gets to the top of that hill because the chain is lifting it up. Stop timing when the train gets to the end of the ride just before the brakes are applied. Once the brakes are applied, the speed changes. This will take a few minutes to get several measurements, but it is necessary to get accurate results. When you are answering the questions, use the equation for average velocity. The displacement is the total length of the trip, which is given in the engineering specifications. Divide that by the time to find the average velocity. Next, you will need to calculate percent difference. Percent difference is the absolute value of the difference between two measurements divided by the average of the two measurements times 100%. Use your predicted measurements and your actual measurements for this calculation. Next, you will need to ride the ride. You will use the horizontal accelerometer for this. Once you are on the ride, position the horizontal accelerometer on the lap bar with the 80 degrees facing forward. Be careful that you hold it firmly against the lap bar. If you tilt it up or down, you won't get accurate results. Hold on tight. This measurement is an angle. On the lap, you have to find the number of G's. Be sure you take the tangent of the angle to get a measurement in G's. This is the acceleration you are experiencing while stopping. Finally, you need to make a graph of speed versus time. At the end of the ride, think about how your velocity is changing. Are you speeding up or slowing down? Is the acceleration constant or is it varying? Make a sketch of the shape of the graph first and then estimate numbers for your graph.